Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about constructors, part of programming in C++ course. A constructor in C++ is a special type of member function that is called when an object of a class is created. It is used to initialize the object's data members and allocate any necessary resources. The constructor is automatically called when an object is created using the class's constructor syntax, which typically looks like this. A class can have multiple constructors, each with a different number or type of arguments, which allows you to create objects in different ways. The constructor that is called depends on the arguments provided when the object is created. Here is an example of a simple constructor for the dog class. In this example, the dog class has a constructor that takes three arguments: name, breed, and age. The constructor initializes the object's data members using the member initializer list syntax. The name, breed, age syntax initializes the object's name, breed, and age data members with the values of the corresponding constructor arguments. It is worth noting that if you don't explicitly define a constructor for a class, C++ will automatically generate a default constructor for you. However, the default constructor will not initialize the object's data members. So it is often necessary to define your own constructor to initialize the object's state. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.